Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, front wheel drive, center armrest, electronic stability control, trip computer, clock, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, day-night rear view mirror, engine immobilizer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.